Happy Turkey Day, everyone. I'm here in the middle of a parking lot recording this video in my car at a Wegmans of all places in North Carolina on a road trip with my family. And I'm bringing you the best possible 3D printing Black Friday deals for 2023. I'm really excited to make another one of these. I think this is like the 7th or 8th year in a row that I've made this style of video. So let's jump right in and check out this year's deals. And by the way, you'll find timestamps below with all of the different deals. So if you wanted to skip to a specific company or brand or whatever it may be, you can find those down below. One of the hottest brands that's out there is gotta be Bambu Lab, and they're running a sale. And I believe this is the first time that I'm seeing sales on their X1 Carbon 3D printers and basically all of their lineups of 3D printers. So you can find the X1 Carbon and AMS system for $150 off, or you can just get the regular X1 Carbon for $150 off. They also have the new P1S system on sale for $100 off, and then they also have the Bambu Lab P1P on sale for $540. Now, Matterhackers always has some of the best and craziest sales on Black Friday, and this year's no exception. They're also running that same Bambu Lab X1 Carbon AMS system deal for $150 off, but they're also including one free spool of the Quantum dual color PLA from Matterhackers. Now, they're also running some deals on the newly popular Creality K1 series 3D printers. The K1 Max you can get for $250 off. The regular K1 is $200 off. Plus, I believe you can also get 3 free rolls of filament with those orders. All of their Quantum dual color PLA is also 40% off. That stuff is just awesome to print with. And their Matterhackers series, a variety of different PLAs, are I think from 15 to 20% off. They also have BondTech accessories that are going to be 15% off. There are also a variety of Voron deals as well that you can find for up to 30% off. Now, my dear friends over at Prusa were kind enough to send me in advance what their Black Friday savings are, and they're actually running a promotion on the MK4 3D printer. I have one of those, and now that's got input shaping, I'm really loving the prints that I'm getting off of it. You can now expect free shipping with that internationally for that 3D printer. Also gonna get a 1 kilogram orange PET G spool of Prusament, a textured PEI sheet, and some free 3D models and an online course with that purchase. They also have a deal going on with the Prusa Mini Plus, where you can get free shipping and 5 spools of Prusament. And they're also gonna be running some deals with the SL1S, where you can get 3 bottles of resin, or if you pick up the bundled option, you'll get 5 bottles of Prusament resin. And if you end up spending over $200 on their site, you'll get free worldwide shipping. There are some exclusions that apply. The folks over at FLSUN, I think that's how you pronounce their name, that make the amazing Delta printers, are surprisingly launching 2 brand new printers on Thanksgiving morning at 9 a.m. Eastern. They're launching the S1 and the T1, I believe. These are going to be new Delta fast printing 3D printers. There's not a whole lot of information on them, no videos as far as I've seen. Hopefully they'll have more of that posted this morning. Now, my friends over at Elegoo are, as usual, offering up a ton of different things. Over on their website, you can find the Mars 3 Pro for $150, the Saturn 2 for $320, the Neptune 4 Pro, it's a newer machine, for $280, and their Fecta laser engraver for $235. Now, they also have some deals that are available over on Amazon as well. That includes the Mars 3 for $120. That's crazy for a fantastic resin 3D printer. The Mars 4 Ultra is $285. That might be one of my fastest printing and one of, in general, just my favorite resin 3D printers that I have. And you can find the Neptune 3 for $200. And Anycubic is also running some great promotions over on their website as well as over on Amazon. You can find the Cobra 2 Max for $479 on their website. It's going to be $500 over on Amazon as a Black Friday deal. The Cobra 2 Plus is $399 over on their website. And then you can find the Photon Mono 5S for $420 on their site, or $430 over on Amazon. That's another fast, great mid-size resin 3D printer. Highly recommend that one. And they're also running a sale on their huge new Wash and Cure washing machine. That thing is massive, for $300 over on their website. FLSUN is also running some great deals over on their website. You can find up to 30% off a variety of different machines, and they're also offering 1 month's free subscription to Loot Studios, which I think is a great additional add-on for a deal package, especially if you're picking up one of their resin 3D printers. They also have some great bundle options available over on their website, including the new Sonic Mega 8KS. And if you're looking for something off of Amazon, they've got the Sonic Mini 8K for $360. Chitubox, I still don't know quite how to say that, is running some deals over on their site as well, specifically over on their X-Max 3. I keep wanting to call them the Xmas 3, but that's going to be $899 for that larger format fast FDM 3D printer. And I'll be showing off some videos on that here very soon. Printed Solid, as usual, is running a rock solid Black Friday deal. This year, they're running their Jessy PLA for $17 a roll. By the way, that's PLA and PETG, all of their Jessy PLA and PETG. It's a great deal. They're going to be running 30% off their LDO products. They also have enclosures for your 3D printers that are going to be $50 off. You can expect to see 20% off all E3D, Bondtech, and Slice products. And if you purchase an MK3S kit or assembled, you're going to get a $200 Printed Solid gift card. PolyMaker is also running a really simple sale. Thank you. They're doing 30% off everything site-wide. It's as simple as that. You just need to make sure you use the code Black Friday 2023. My friends over at CookieCad are also running a promotion this year where if you buy 3 rolls of filament, you'll get 1 free. They have some of my absolute favorite PLA options available on their site. Definitely worth checking out. Now, I didn't hear anything back from Zyltech, my friends over at Zyltech, hello, but I saw over on their website that if you put in the code BFGIFT, you'll get a free gift pack of dual tricolor filament options. I'm hoping that they're offering some other kind of Black Friday deal. I was hoping not stocking up on some filaments there, so fingers crossed we'll see some other deals from them there. Sliceworx is also running some promotions. They're going to be offering free shipping on orders over $49. They also have some bundled packs of filament. You can expect to see their 6-pack of Ultra Silk PLA for $60. They also have a 6-pack of the matte PLA for $100. And then their tricolor silk PLA is on sale for $15. They have a 12-pack of random color PLA for $115. They also have their regular filament is buy 2, get 1 free, but they also have some printer deals going on there. They have the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo for $150 and the Kingroon KP3D for $100. That's a deal. BigTreeTech is running their Shine and Go sale for up to 60% off their control boards, up to 57% off screens. They also have a limited number of 8%, 12%, and 18% off coupons that you can use on your orders. Here's one that I'm extremely excited about, and it's from Siraya Tech. They have, I think, the only one that I've seen, bulk deals on large quantities of resin. So you can actually end up picking up for $250 2 times 5 kilograms of their fast gray resin. Or for $255, you can get 2 times for the 5 kilograms of the navy fast gray. That's some serious stocking up of resin there. They're also running a ton of sales on all their different varieties of resin, everything from 25 to 35% off a whole bunch of their different 1 kilogram resins. Those are all directly on their site, but I bet you can also find some good deals from them over on Amazon as well. My friends over at Whambam are also running some promotions on their different, basically everything, because what they told me back is 20% off the entire site. Some things are going to be 30 to even 70% off depending on what you're looking for. So at Whambam, you can find they've now got an enclosure specifically for the P1P. They've got like a little fire system there in case one of your printers catches on fire. It's a whole crazy thing there, their cloud system, but they also are known for their build plates and their flex plates for their FDM and resin printers. Repkord is also running some deals over on his rep boxes with the code UJFRIDAY. You're going to get 20% off their rep boxes as well as his different accessories throughout Black Friday up through Cyber Monday. Again, that code is UJFRIDAY. That's got a nice ring to it. Andrew over at 3D Gloop is also running some deals. I needed to stock up on some Gloop, so this is going to be when I'm doing it. For this Black Friday only, you can expect to see for $70, $69.99, you get two 120 milliliter bottles of 3D Gloop of your choice and a free beaker of their science mug. It's their beaker science mug. It's just a cool little mug that you can actually drink out of. They're also going to have free shipping on orders over $69.99. Coincidence? I think not. So if you take advantage of that first deal, you'll get free shipping. Also, from Black Friday throughout Cyber Monday, they're also going to have 15% off a variety of their other different products. Now, if you're into inserts for your prints, CNC Kitchen is actually been running a 10% off sale for his inserts that he produces and sells. I think that's so friggin' cool that a maker out there is making something practical that you can add to your 3D printed projects, and now at a discount. Help the guy out, help us all out. We're all makers. We're all just trying to make it out here. All right, and finally, I have some deals on software. First of all, I want to talk about Hueforge. I recently purchased a license to Hueforge, so you can be expecting some videos from me soon on that. But Hueforge is offering 15% off new orders with the code HueforgeBF15. They're also going to be adding a stackable upgrade coupon with that. So if you're maybe coming from a trial or needing to upgrade to that, there are upgrade options that you can also use with that 15% off coupon code. I thought that was pretty cool. Also, did you see this crazy one that they produced of the bricks that look completely 3D, but it's flat? It's a complete flat surface. It's wild. The team over at Lychee Slicer is also running their biggest deal ever. They're offering 20% off all of their subscription options. That is a really cool one. So you can also get, along with that 20% off subscription, you're going to get a bundle of 3D models that you can run off and print that's worth over $200. And they're also including 1 month subscription for free to STL Flix for a whole bunch of different variety of miniatures that you can run off and print. And finally, Chitubox is running a sale on their Pro version of their slicer for 50% off that particular slicer. You can find deals about that directly on their website. Now, I am sure I am missing some deals on this list and video here. That's why I'm relying on you in the community to help others out there. Fill out the comments down below of some of the best deals that you're finding online for either 3D printers or filaments or accessories. I'm on the hunt. I'm sure all of you are on the hunt. While we're eating up all the turkey and all the ham and all the good stuff here today, we're also hunting for some deals. I just want to say thanks so much for watching. I also want to say thank you to all my Patreon subscribers and members for your help in me making videos here in parking lots of grocery stores. If you're interested in things like my 3D printer settings, you can find those in my Patreon. And yeah, hope you all had a great time with your family and loved ones, and eat up, and hopefully you find some good deals. I'm also hunting for them. Hey, thanks for watching, you all, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, no joke. I'm in a Wegmans parking lot here. Let me see if I can click on it there. Yeah, Wegmans. It's random, so random. But, you know, lighting was good. It's quiet in the car. It's a fun one, fun one.